my gosh, Becky, her curls are so cute. Hi guys, so for the sake of keeping this video short, I have already mixed up my clay mix, you guys. If you want to see how I mixed the clay mix and the measurements that I use and the type of clay that I use and all of that jazz, please refer to the previous video. I will also link the video in the description box, and then I will link it in the eye above. So I have already pre-pooed my hair, you guys, with just some avocado oil and water. And so here I am to apply this mask for the very first time, okay? As I apply this to my hair, I'm just gonna tell you guys exactly why I have chosen to use this as a shampoo or as a mask or whatever, instead of using the regular conventional shampoos. I really hope this does not get too messy. But, okay. So let me carry on. So the reason that I've chosen to do it this way is because I find that with my low porosity hair and tightly coiled type 4A, 4B hair, you guys, no matter what shampoo I use, it seems to be very harsh on my hair, and it just causes so much unnecessary breakage, you guys. Now, because of my low porosity hair, if you all don't know, it's very important that you clarify your hair and your scalp each and every time that you wash it, because our cuticles are so like tightly closed, they lay so flat, you guys, that it is very difficult for our hair to absorb moisture. All of the other shampoos that I was using, although they were very great in the sense of like, you know, clarifying my hair really, really good, because I have tightly coiled hair, then I just found that I would get the results of my hair being extremely clarified, but then I would come out of the shower or come out of my wash day with so much unnecessary breakage. You just don't need the cleansing agent that's going to do more damage to your hair. And so my thought is, okay, well, let me find something that's literally gonna give me the exact same results of cleansing my hair by stripping it and clarifying it of all of the product buildup that I have on my hair, and then allow me to maintain that moisture balance to where I am not literally breaking my hair off, because, you know, like the conventional shampoos have clarified my hair so much so that it is literally just tangled it up. You know what I'm saying? Now, back in the day, Kenya and I did use Tear Essentials. I don't know if we just like chose the wrong one, but we found that it wasn't really helpful to us because we were only using Tear Essentials, and we just found that our hair just seemed to be really, really weighed down. I don't know if Tear Essentials use Bentonite clay, but that's what I'm using here. It's a mixture of Bentonite and Rhassoul clay, because I want the moisturizing benefits that Rhassoul clay provides, but then I also want the clarifying benefits that Bentonite clay provides. For my low porosity hair, I am going to continue to give you guys updates to let y'all know like how my hair is doing, if I am experiencing just as much breakage as I do when I use conventional clarifying and sulfate-free shampoos. I will definitely keep you guys in the loop regarding that. And I just feel like if this is a method that's gonna work better for me, and again, it's gonna allow me not to experience as much breakage, like this is what I'm gonna be doing like forever. I am here for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to apply this clay wash, and I'll be back. You guys, I am running out of clay. Oh my goodness. I had to go and get some water because I found that my hair was drying up a little bit. So I got some hot water in here, and I'm just trying to loosen up the clay that I've already put in there, but not too much because I'm not in my bathroom. I don't want clay to get everywhere. So that little bit of water did help enough on my scalp, because that's the area that's like obviously very dirty. My thought behind this is, if these clay washes help to minimize as much dandruff, then obviously I can go a little bit longer before I have to wash my hair again. And so if that's the case, then it's a 2 for 1. it's a twofer, meaning I won't get as much dandruff and I can go a little bit longer before I have to actually wash my hair again. I'm definitely gonna have to make some more next time, you guys. This was not enough. I did a half a cup of Rhassoul and a half a cup of Bentonite. I'm feeling like I probably should have done a cup of each. My hair feels so moisturized from doing my pre-poo. Like, where was, like, what was I doing? Why wasn't I doing pre-poos, you guys? Okay, I am at the end, you guys. That didn't take long. Okay, now I need to massage my scalp. Because just because it's a mask don't mean like you just put it on there and just do nothing. Because I have to get my scalp clean. Ooh. This is feeling really nicely. All right, you guys. Now with my water, I'm just getting ready to go through and just wet it up a little bit because I'm getting ready to massage my scalp. I want to massage it and just sort of like wash it. You know what I'm saying? Like get my fingers in there and actually wash my hair. Can y'all see my curls? Can y'all see my curls? Oh my gosh. Becky, her curls are so cute. And then what I'm gonna do is leave this on for about 5 to 10 minutes and let the clay actually dry, because from what I understand, as the clay dries, that's when all of the magic is happening. That's when it is actually absorbing all of the debris and product buildup. Okay, you guys, so I have just finished washing out the clay out of my hair, and I just want to show you guys what my hair looks like. Can we get into these curls though? Can we get into these curls though? All right, so yeah, I think I like it. Hey, I think I like it. Hey, I think I like it. Okay, so like I feel like if I just wanted to wear a wash and go at this point, I certainly could. So I'm loving how bouncy and how light my hair feels. I'm loving the fact that like my curls look amazing. It is a little poof up here in the front, and that's fine because to me, that's a good indicator that it has thoroughly cleansed my hair, because anytime like I use a shampoo or something like that and it thoroughly cleanses my hair be like poof, like it'd be like this short. So I like that it's doing that because again, it's a good sign. Now, as I stated in the beginning, the tester for this, you guys, is going to be the scalp test, the itch test, the whatever test. So let's look to see if this got my scalp clean, okay? Let's go on this side and let me just, oh, and y'all, it's so easy for me to just part my hair. Wow. Okay, let's do the scratch test. Huh, no dandruff. Let's part another part. Right here. And scratch. No dandruff. I think I like it. Now, how does my hair feel? It's weird. My hair feels clarified, but not stripped. It feels like I still have some moisture in it. It feels easy to detangle even with my fingers, see? I can literally break it apart. I'm not getting any breakage, y'all. No breakage. And this is where the bulk of my breakage happens. I'm not getting any breakage. This is crazy. Wow. I am really loving this. That's crazy. I've decided I am going to do a thorough review just to tell you guys some of the methods that I've chosen to take, if I've tweaked anything, if a month or 2 months down the line I still like this clay wash, and if I'll continue to use it, and then also if I have seen a difference in my breakage as a result of using this. So make sure that you guys stay tuned for that. Make sure that you all subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified whenever I produce that updated video, you guys. And thank you guys so much for joining me today on this video. Make sure that you comment down below. Comment down below. I am so crazy. It's time for me to get out of here. Thank you guys, and I love you so much. I'll see you all in our next video. Mwah. Bye.